Hey everyone! Welcome back to Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And before we get started, we have huge announcement for you. We are planning to do a question-answer video in near future. So, you have opportunity to leave your questions in the comments section and we will answer them as soon as possible. Well, today I would like to give you the review of my new dress. I bought a piece of net decorated with textured circles. The bottom is of transparent net. First, I wanted to make a blouse, but my assistant suggests sewing a dress. You know that I like loose sheath dresses, but they decided to make a more interesting design. Have a look at this unusual neckline. It corresponds to the shape of circles. The circles are doubled to make the neckline stronger. The sleeves are unusual. There is a seam and a couple of pleats. It makes them lose the elbow line. They are very comfortable. They are of my favorite length. The dress is not lined. I combined with my black underdress. The bottom is decorated with circles. They are doubled. The dress is very unusual. It is suitable for some special occasion. The edging is very simple. I'm not going to show you it in detail. There is an invisible zipper in center back. The dress is fitted in the waistline. There are waist tucks on the back. There is only one seam in the bottom. It was not easy to cut the lower part and sew the circles again and match all the details. It was a painstaking work. My assistants did their best job to make it so carefully. My black shoes suit the dress perfectly. I like this outfit and the way it makes me feel. 1.5 meters of fabric is enough to make this dress. We cut the circles out from the upper part and sewed them to the bottom. I am ready for some special occasion now. There are fabrics that are supposed to be used for making some unusual items. I'm happy that I bought this interesting fabric and my assistants sewed this special dress for me. I'm glad to share this idea with you. Have a close look at the back. There is an invisible zipper in center back. Center back seam is up to the bottom. There are 2 waist tucks on the back. The dress is fitted. There are waist tucks and the bust darts in front. The neck is opened. The neckline is special. I love the dress. Try to refresh your wardrobe with such unusual garments, but do not make a lot of them. You remember my jumpsuits. As for the white one, I wear it often, and I didn't have an occasion to put the golden one on. This dress is not that unusual. I can wear it to the theater or restaurant as well as for some business meetings. Watch our videos carefully. I give you the review of fashion magazines often. I'm sure you can get a lot of interesting ideas from them. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. And of course, don't forget to leave your interesting questions in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. See ya in our next one. Bye!